Heavy-duty machinery such as excavators, bulldozers, loaders, and trucks are powered by robust and reliable engines. At the heart of these powerful motors lies an essential component, the piston. Today, we will explore how skilled Pakistani workers manufacture high-quality Caterpillar pistons that play a vital role in construction equipment. Join us as we examine each stage of the process from raw material selection to the final product ready for global distribution. Welcome back to our channel, where we showcase the latest manufacturing techniques and engineering marvels. Our journey begins at a Caterpillar authorized aftermarket facility in Pakistan, where a team of expert engineers and highly skilled technicians come together to produce top-notch pistons for heavy-duty diesel engines. This facility has been producing pistons since 2003, catering to the needs of the local mining and construction industries. Over the years, it has gained recognition as a reputable manufacturer, meeting stringent Caterpillar standards. The production process starts with a thorough inspection of raw materials, ensuring they meet the required specifications. Once approved, the materials are prepared for the manufacturing process, which includes cutting, shaping, and heat treatment. Throughout the production process, strict quality control measures are implemented to guarantee that each piston is manufactured to the highest standards. In Pakistan, there are many factories that produce pistons for heavy-duty engines, but not all of them have the authorization to manufacture Caterpillar parts. One such factory is the Al Ghazi Tractors Limited, located in Lahore. This factory specializes in producing high-quality tractor parts, including pistons that meet international standards, although not directly related to Caterpillar. This factory demonstrates the advanced manufacturing capabilities of Pakistan's engineering industry. But what makes the Pakistani factory suitable for manufacturing Caterpillar pistons? Firstly, Pakistan has a well-established foundry industry with expertise in producing high-quality cast components. Moreover, Pakistani workers are known for their exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail, making them ideal for producing precise and durable pistons. Additionally, the country has a pool of skilled engineers and technicians capable of operating and maintaining the complex machinery required for piston manufacturing. Before diving into the manufacturing process, it's important to highlight the role of the workforce behind the production of these critical engine components. Pakistani workers possess a unique combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technical skills. Their dedication to producing high-quality products has been instrumental in establishing Pakistan as a hub for piston manufacturing. These workers undergo rigorous training to ensure they meet Caterpillar's high standards and can handle the complex machinery involved in the process. They work closely with engineers and supervisors to maintain precision and accuracy at every stage of production. Pakistani workers take pride in their work, and their commitment to excellence contributes significantly to the final product, reliability, and performance. Now let's delve into the intricate details of how these skilled workers manufacture Caterpillar pistons. The journey begins with the selection of high-grade alloys such as steel or aluminum, which are the primary materials used for manufacturing pistons. The choice of material depends on the specific application and performance requirements. Once the materials arrive at the factory, they undergo a series of tests to ensure they meet the necessary specifications. The alloys are then sent to the melting department, where they are heated to extremely high temperatures to liquefy them. Large furnaces are used to achieve these high temperatures, creating a molten mixture of the selected alloy. To initiate the manufacturing process, the molten metal is then transferred to the piston mold, which is specially designed to create the intricate shape of the piston. Once the mold is securely clamped in place, the molten metal is poured into the mold cavity. This ensures that the metal fills the entire mold accurately, forming the desired shape for the piston. After the metal has solidified inside the mold, it is carefully removed from both sides. The resulting piece is known as a green sand casting, which is then placed on a conveyor belt for further processing. The next step involves rough turning, where the piston blank is shaped into its final form using industrial lathes. Skilled machinists operate these lathes with precision to create the initial contours of the piston. Computer numerical control, CNC machining, is employed to precisely cut and shape the piston to the exact dimensions specified by Caterpillar. This process utilizes specialized cutting tools and computer programming to achieve the required accuracy. Highly skilled technicians monitor and adjust the CNC machines to ensure the pistons are manufactured to the highest standards. Once the basic shape is achieved, the piston undergoes various machining operations to create the necessary grooves for the piston rings. These rings play a crucial role in sealing the combustion chamber and controlling the compression and power strokes of the piston. The process of cutting these grooves involves specialized cutting tools and precise control over the machining process. Skilled machinists and tool makers ensure that the grooves are accurately machined at the required dimensions and tolerances. Another critical aspect of piston manufacturing is the pin bore machining process. This involves drilling precise holes in the piston to accommodate the connecting rod pins. These pins connect the pistons to the connecting rods, which in turn are attached to the crankshaft. The pin bores must be accurately machined to ensure proper fitment and smooth operation of the piston within the engine. Advanced drilling and boring machines are used to create these holes with extreme precision. Skilled machinists and tool makers carefully set up and operate the machines to achieve the required accuracy and repeatability. After machining, the pistons may undergo grinding and polishing operations to smooth the surfaces and reduce friction within the engine. Skilled grinders and polishers use various tools and techniques to achieve the desired surface finish. The goal is to create a smooth and uniform surface that minimizes resistance as the piston moves up and down within the cylinder. Throughout the manufacturing process, stringent quality control measures are implemented to guarantee the production of high quality pistons that meet Caterpillar's rigorous standards. Skilled inspectors utilize advanced measuring tools and techniques to verify critical dimensions, ensuring that each piston falls within the acceptable tolerances. Advanced measuring instruments, such as coordinate measuring machines (CMS), are employed to inspect critical dimensions such as the diameter and length of the pistons. These machines provide highly accurate and repeatable measurements, allowing inspectors to identify any deviations from the required specifications. In addition to dimensional inspection, non-destructive testing (NDT) methods are used to assess the internal structure and integrity of the pistons. NDT techniques such as ultrasonic testing and magnetic particle inspection help identify any internal defects or flaws that may compromise the strength or reliability of the pistons. Adherence to strict quality control measures ensures that only pistons that meet the highest standards are released for further processing. Another critical aspect of piston manufacturing is ensuring their strength and resistance to cracking under extreme operating conditions. To guarantee the structural integrity of the pistons, manufacturers employ various testing methods. Non-destructive testing techniques, such as ultrasonic testing and radiography, are utilized to detect any internal defects or anomalies that could compromise the piston's strength. Additionally, hydraulic or pneumatic pressure tests are conducted to simulate the high pressures experienced by the pistons during engine operation. These tests help identify any potential weaknesses or failure points, ensuring that the pistons can withstand the demanding conditions of heavy-duty engines. Once the quality and reliability of the pistons have been confirmed, they are subjected to heat treatment processes to enhance their properties. Heat treatment methods such as annealing, hardening, and tempering are employed to increase the piston's hardness, durability, and resistance to wear. By carefully controlling the heating and cooling processes, manufacturers can modify the piston's microstructure, improving its overall performance and longevity. After heat treatment, the pistons undergo a final inspection to verify that the desired properties have been achieved. Skilled inspectors use specialized equipment to measure the physical and mechanical properties such as hardness and tensile strength, ensuring that they meet the specified requirements. Any pistons that do not meet the standards are returned to the heat treatment area for further processing. As a final step, the manufactured pistons are cleaned and prepared for packaging. The cleaning process removes any debris, oil, or other contaminants that may have accumulated during the manufacturing process. Skilled technicians use compressed air, brushes, and specialized cleaning solutions to thoroughly clean the pistons, ensuring they are free from any foreign particles. Once cleaned, the pistons are carefully inspected to identify any defects or imperfections. Any imperfections identified at this stage are addressed through rework or replacement to ensure that only flawless pistons are packaged for delivery. The pistons are then packaged in protective packaging materials such as moisture-proof bags or boxes. 2. Prevent any damage or contamination during transportation and storage. The packaging also includes labels and documentation providing information about the pistons, including the serial numbers, part numbers, and any relevant specifications. Once packaged, the pistons are ready for delivery to Caterpillar assembly plants worldwide. Efficient logistics and transportation systems are in place to ensure that the pistons reach their destination safely and on time. The collaboration between Pakistani manufacturers and Caterpillar's global supply chain ensures a seamless delivery of these critical engine components. And that's a wrap on our journey through the manufacturing process of Caterpillar pistons by skilled Pakistani workers. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the intricate details and craftsmanship involved in producing these essential engine components. Do we unforget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content? Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the world of manufacturing and engineering.